Hello everyone, welcome to my English podcast. How are you guys doing? How was your day? What did you do today? What did I do today? Today I woke up at 11 and I took the shower and I had a Korean class. I teach Korean, so my student asked me to teach her Korean pronunciation. She wants to get improved. After that, I had my lunch and then I go to the 노래학원 to practice my singing, and then I came back. That's it. Yeah, nothing special, just an ordinary day. What are we talking about today? What is today's topic? Today's topic is about books. If you watch my videos, you will know that I like books, but I'm not the kind of person who reads a lot. I love buying books, collecting books, and the flipping sound of the books. And also the smell of a new book. Today I'm gonna talk about the books that I recently read and then the book that I've been reading. I already read and I've been reading. Let's start with the books that I recently read. The first one is The Book of Foam and Emptiness. Look at the thickness. It's 550 pages. And I'm so proud that I finished it. And I only understand like 65% of it. But it's okay. I enjoyed it. So the story follows two main characters. 14 years old kid Benny and his mother, Annabelle. What I like about is that the concept of the book. So I find it really interesting. I'll give 4 out of 5 stars. -1 is for the personality of the characters. It's so frustrating. But if the characters are Asian, it would be so much different. That kid, 내가 볼 때 얘 그냥 사춘기야. He starts to hear the voices of everything. So the microphone talks to him, the shoes talk to him. So mental problem. So his mother takes him to the hospital. And that kid, it's so rude to his mom. 우리 아시아 부모님 같았으면 얘 그냥 사춘기로 얘 이미 그냥 a little frustrating, but the story and the concept of the book, it's so interesting. I loved it. Oh my god, this one is so shocking. My only reaction to this book is that's it. The writing style is so simple, the English is so simple. You can perfectly read if you're only beginner level, but it's a little 18 plus. It gives you the whole chapter about having sex. So I'm gonna give 4 out of 5 stars because it gives you the whole chapter about their sex life. So, but the story is really, really interesting. So these two are the books that I've been reading. The first one is 천여름 완주. It's Korean book. 이거 여름에 읽으려고 샀는데 여름이 끝났어요. 아직 안 끝났지만 네, 지금 읽고 있습니다. First Summer 원주. 원주 is the name of the city. I hope this book gives me cozy vibe. And the last one is Clara and the Sun. It is about artificial like AI friend. I read 88 pages, but it's boring so far. I didn't find anything interesting. Like it's only about how AI, like artificial friend, that AI see the world and explore the world and connection with that kid. I don't think would be really interesting, but I'm gonna finish it. So these are the books that I've recently read and then I enjoyed. I've been reading. You know, when it comes to learning languages, reading books gives me confidence and the motivation, the energy to move on, to keep going. Thank you for watching. I really, really hope you guys are doing well, and I really, really hope I can make many, many videos. I hope you guys love this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my English podcast. Do you guys remember me? It's been a while since I uploaded my last video here on my page. I think it's been a month, But recently I got 100,000 followers on this page, which is amazing. Thank you so much, guys. I was just busy with school, classes, and etc. Do you guys remember me? Hi, I'm back. So today, let me give you my life update. How have I been? So I was busy with school. As you know, I'm working on my master degree. I'm focusing on my final visits, so I'm preparing for it. Okay, before we dive into something deep, did you notice something? Yes, I dyed my hair. What do you think? Now in Korea, season is changing. Spring is coming. So I was like, I should add some color on me. And I did. I dyed my hair and I tried to wear some bright color, which I normally don't. I was just trying to be fashionable. And I'm very happy about it. And okay, now let's dive into like something deep. I don't remember, have I mentioned about my major in my previous videos? I am majoring in Korean language education, so it's my last semester. I'm preparing on my final visits, which is about the effect of subtitles. As a language learner, me personally as a language learner, I use subtitles a lot when I watch movies or dramas. What about you? So I did some research before I write it, and I found out using subtitles is effective on especially vocabulary acquisition. So yeah, many of researchers already showed the effect of subtitles. So I decided to go to the next step. My thesis would be about the effect of subtitles presentation order. I know, it's a bit tricky and what are you talking about, right? I'll try my best to make it clear. The explanation would be a little long. So basically I'll have two groups and they're gonna watch the same videos 3 times. But for the first group, in the first time, they'll watch video with dual subtitles and then Korean subtitles, and in the third time, without subtitles. And on the other hand, the other group would be the opposite. They'll start without subtitle and Korean subtitle and then dual subtitle. And I'll see which group will do better on listening comprehension and cognitive load. It sounds interesting, personally for me. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do for my experiment. About the result, what I think about the result, it's the second group will do better because in the first time, they will focus on the sound, and in the second time, they will check what they listened, and in the third time, they can get full information with their mother language. So I think the second group will do better, but how would I know? I have to finish the experiment and see what will happen. Yeah, this is basically what I'm doing right now, and I hanged out with my friends a lot and I had so much fun. And also I recently got a new book which was random. You know, while everyone is doing blind box things, like blind box for little cute toys, I'm doing blind box for books, which is funny. Yes, these are what I've been doing within a month. I didn't upload any video on this page, and I hope you guys are healthy, happy, and doing well with your life. I'll come back with next video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.